What's up, friends? Shane here with Modern Warrior Project, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate and show you this cool little fire kit by Firelight. It's called the Firelight Fiber Light Fire Kit. It's a mouthful. It says light up your adventure. So it's comes in a little cool tin can. It's got a solid thick rubber retention band here. You can use that for various things. Keeps it shut as well. And inside we have a bunch of fiber that you can use for a quick starting fire. We also have a emergency whistle and a flint kit as well. So I'm gonna demonstrate it here on the grill behind me. Let me set this down. Okay, so we're gonna take a little bit of this fiber and I'm gonna put it right here in this pit. I'm in the city, so I'm limited on exactly where I can do this at. Go ahead and pull this out. And so we've got a whistle, pretty good size whistle. And what's interesting on this thing, if you pull this apart, you've got a little tiny mini strike flint and you've got the ferro rod on it here. So let's see how this lights up. It's a little windy out here, so might be a challenge. Try and get it. I'm gonna try and get it a little warmed up to it first here. Get some of that coating off. Okay. I got some of that coating off. As you see, so actually lights up pretty good. The fiber kit lights up real well. As you saw, I had to get the coating off. All ferro rods have that coating, so you kind of got to get those off. But it came off pretty easily, and struck right up, I'd say, after maybe the second, third spark actually hit it. So, pretty cool product. If you like fire kits, I love fire kits, as you know. It's the Fiber Light Fire Kit. And if you're interested also, they're a veteran-owned company out of Oregon, made in the USA. That's all you need to know. Pretty simple, down and dirty.
Yeah.